Hi, so today I will demonstrate my weekly task template and I will also demonstrate how you can use the template. Okay, let me show the template first. So this is the template I'm going to show you today, and I will also demonstrate how you can use the template so the same way I'm using and to get the maximum benefit from this template. And I'm also going to demonstrate how you can actually manage your habits and track your habits weekly. And before that, let me explain what is the motivation behind this template. So actually I was never a good planner, so I always work the way when I mean my mind is actually in the mood of working. So but later I thought that okay, that's not the way, because I'm a first year PhD student and I'm also working as a full-time research assistant, and I have a 3 course in this semester, so I have my family, so I'm actually facing a great difficulty managing all those tasks. So that's why I started reading different productivity books, and recently I have read 2 books. The first one is Atomic Habits by James Clear, and second one is Eat the Frog by Brian Tracy. So based on that book, actually I have designed the template so that I can manage my day-to-day life efficiently, and I mean so that I can manage all the tasks, so that I can manage my research work and everything. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. So first you have to duplicate the template by clicking this duplicate button. The link of the template in the description below. So after duplicating the template will be in your Notion page, so just like mine. And you can see that in the top there is a button, create week planner. So after clicking this button, a new week template, new week planner will be created. And if you go into the after that, it will automatically go into the page, and you can see that every week you will create a new week planner. So this will create a complete template for your whole week. So that means you can manage the whole week using just the same page. So after that, you have to change the date. So from the week, so let me see what is the next week start from. And the next week start from, that is Monday. So that means 28/03 28 and 2020. After that, we have to set the milestone. Let me see. Okay, I have to finish my current project. That's my milestone. And after that, we actually keep our important task of this week in this place. So I have to pay credit card bill, let's say. And after that, I have to submit one assignment. So blah blah, whatever actually important for you this week. And after that, as the we will start from the Monday, so you have to expand that day. And after expanding that day, you can see that you have to actually mention the task in all those field. This is the task field. What is the task you will do today? And after that, and you can also create new tasks by pressing this button. And also you can actually put the flag, the task is important, or logistics or other. Based on the importance, you have to actually decide which task you will do first and which task you will do last. And after that, you also have to set the priority. That means either this task is high priority task or less priority task. And second, this is for comment. That means whenever you are actually decided to do something. I decided to write code for the ML model, but something that might be happen that you cannot complete the task end of the day, so you can put a comment here. And actually the task reward section is actually very important. So I have learned from this book, and the way this work, let me explain a little bit. Think about that. You have a bad habit of actually scrolling Facebook after a few minutes. So whatever you can do, you can actually control yourself. You'll control your bad habit by just actually giving you some reward. Think about that. You are doing a work, so you can just motivate yourself that okay, after completing the code, I will watch my favorite YouTube video for 10 minutes, or I will actually scroll Facebook or whatever you want to do for 5 minutes. So that's the way actually you can control your bad habits. So this is the there is all days, Monday to Sunday. and after that maybe you can actually every day you have to work in this field. And after that, important point is that the weekly habit tracker. So you have to edit according to your habit tracker. Think about that. For my case, I normally try to wake up before 9. So when this is a good way to track your habit, either you are actually managing your routine in every day. So if you just do the first one, you can click on this, and based on the day, after that you can also how many hours you are actually intended to work, and based on that you can actually click on those habits. And after that, habit stacking is actually one of the good thing to build a good habit. Think about that. You have a good habit and you want to build another good habit based on that. So because so the point is, if you stack one good habit and then the another habit that you want to build, so that means it is easy to actually create a new habit. Think about that. Before normally I get back from the lab 5 p.m. every day. So I just decided, okay, before leaving lab I will fill my water bottle for next day, because that is important, so that I can get water bottle whenever I will go to the next day. So this is the way actually you can create a new habit. And so this is just a demo template. You can leverage your own work. And I think that's all for the video. And if you think that the video is useful for you, please put your comment actually on any points you need to understand. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.